Alright, welcome back everyone to a new trading update video on this YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss my trading opportunities to trade Bitcoin for the upcoming days. Currently I'm in a short trade already. So yeah, let's start off with Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, we made a rejection from off this high volume area you can see over here. And we've seen that rejection from off this point. And on the lower time frame, I saw some nice confirmation to enter this short trade. And around this low over here, I'm already taking out like 50% of this short. And I want to take my full profit target around the lows over here. So if I hit that full profit target around this low, then I want to open a new long trade. And for that long trade, I want to see some lower time frame confirmation first before I enter that long. Of course, if we break above and I hit my stop loss, then I have the right triggers to open a new long trade. Of course, then I want to open that long trade on the retest. If I take that long trade, then I'm interested in a short trade around the high over here. Of course, if you want to wait for the A setups, then you have to wait for the extremes. And the extreme is, of course, the high you can see over here and the lows you can see over here. So for now, if you want to wait for that A setups, then you have to wait for the high over there and this low. And around this low, of course, I can open a new long trade. First, I want to see some lower time frame confirmation. And if we lose that low, then we can expect some lower prices. And then we can expect a lower low on the higher time frame. And that becomes very, very interesting. Of course, on the high as well, if we gain, then we can open a long trade on the retest towards the new level, of course. So if we take a look at the higher time frame, so actually the daily time frame, then we can see that we have to gain the green candle you see over here. This is very important because this was the starting point which brought us towards the low. And as long as we don't gain this level, we can expect some lower prices. So actually we can expect a lower low, and that's all the way down below here. So if we want to see that higher time frame trend reversal, then we need to gain this candlestick over here. That's very, very important. As long as we don't gain this one, then we can expect a lower low. Of course, if we make that lower low, then the starting point towards that low will be the level to gain. So very important to understand that. As long as we don't gain daily time frame, then we can continue the downtrend. As long as we gain the daily time frame, then we can see higher prices again. So actually this is my game plan for now. I hope that everything is clear to you. If you have any questions, of course you can comment them below. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and then I would see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching, guys. Ciao, ciao.